o'clock or 5 o'clock, it is going to go down. So it is going to be night. So even if you have exposure here, it is going to be night sun, that is no sun. So only darkness is going to come in. Nothing much is going to come from this side. So the south and west windows, south and west, less windows, heavy walls. Now, which means, which area should be sleeping in? North. Why? It is not cool. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. You will not get a good sleep because your fire also is here, kitchen also is here, your activity also is here. You are keeping this area open. If animals come, to be get caught. Southwest, exactly opposite direction, because there will be least amount of disturbance on this side. From outside there will be no noise. The walls are thick, so you should be sleeping in this area. During the day, where you should carry out your activities? Most of the activities during the day? This or this? Either this or this. Preferred southeast or northwest? Northwest. So what is given? You should carry out your activities here. This is the preferred location. Who is in the home whole day? Ladies. What kind of activities they do? No, they do a number of activities which we don't know because we are not at home. Okay? But one of the main activities that they do is the kitchen. Cooking, preparing for cooking, not early in the morning, during the day also. You are cleaning up the rice, you are cleaning up the jowar, you are making the, hundreds of things. You are making achar and so on and so forth. So, the kitchen should not be here, should be moved to here. Okay? Leave this area empty because who's going to work at home? Ladies. What kind of work ladies are going to do? That will be done in the southeast. What are the main folks supposed to do? They are supposed to go outside and work. So their implements should be located here. They take these implements and go out. Okay? So this area is reserved for things which are supposed to go out. Go out for work. Yeah. Or for people to come in and relax. This is the area of relaxation. Should be empty. This area and this area should be empty anyway. Here, activities can continue in the evening. In the evening, what is going to happen is sun is going to be somewhere here. Yeah. So this area is still not going to be hot. This area is still going to be cool, but this area is going to be cool, chilly. But this area is going to be adequately warm, so you can relax here. You can have your evening cup of tea or whatever on this side. Okay? If you are following this method, what is going to happen? Southwest. Least amount of disturbance. No disturbance away from the fire, away from empty area, away from your implements. No obstructions. Go into the bedroom, close the door, completely relax, sleep.
That's why older building dictated 2.5 feet.
Yes, yes, yes. Also, now if you see how was the building built up, if you see some of your engineers who will know that this is to be the case if you are taking the front view. This is to be the shape. High in the southwest, low in the northeast or north and east. This is the first floor, this is the second floor. Generally what you would have is a small gallery, something like this, where the person would stand and look at the people here. This is to be generally the map of a house in India.
In Australia, you get this type of
Yeah, no, this will not get in Australia. You will get European Gothic style of architecture in Australia. Those pictures also we have. We didn't bring the slides today because we wanted to put this point through. So this is the science of if you are following this common sense method which is given in the books, then your house remains healthy because you get adequate sun in the morning, good food here, good night's rest and enjoyment. Go out, you are going to be healthy and happy.
In Bombay, the big cities,
Yeah.
all the kind buildings are there.
Yes.
What about that?
A number of things can be done. I'll talk about that. Once the questions are here, let's see what the questions. There are no questions so far. Where is going to be the toilet?
This you can get in the village.
Where you can get the, no, where should we put?
Toilet.
Ha. For toilet as well as temple, there is no place in the house. Toilet as well as northeast is to be kept. I didn't say. No, I didn't say that. I said there is no place for toilet or temple in the house. No place. You have read Ramayana, right? Where was the Rama's the temple located in the house? Which side? Where? No, he's कहाँ पे रखा था?
घर पे किधर भी टेम्पल नहीं मिलेगा.
घर पे टेम्पल नहीं होता है. घर पे टेम्पल नहीं होता है.
घर वाले के बाद तुलसी मिलेगी.
Yes, yes,
टेम्पल नहीं मिलेगा.
yes.
10 मील दूर मिलेगा.
Right. You are supposed to go to the temple, and you are supposed to be near to the trees and flora and fauna.
Pick up the flower,
Yes.
pursue and come back.
Right, right. Where should be the animals?
North.
This area. You are going to take them away.
Yeah.
So this area. Where should you exercise? Exercise कहाँ करना चाहिए?
Middle.
Gym. Here, activities.
The middle.
This middle.
Portion will be empty.
Middle portion will not be empty. If you are breaking it this way,
Breaking it, but
huh? Okay.
go empty.
Yeah, middle or north, middle or southeast. What else? What else do you keep in home? Us will tell you. Now it is all through very logical common sense.
Then everything, where the entry?
Where the entry?
Entry.
Where should be the entry? Tell me.
North is
Where should be the entry? No, why? Why? Why should the northeast be entry?
because sunrise, the sun comes.
What has entry to do with the sunrise? You are outside the house. Exposure is there. There is exposure, there is windows, everything is there. With entry there is something more. What is that more? You have to use very powerful, very straightforward logic. Entry is for guest or people. Where should the guest come into the house from?
Low.
Yeah. So what should be the qualification of that door? Why?
Comes to the something. Actually, I come little late.
Yeah.
I have not understood.
Okay.
Normally, I presume.
See, simple logic. The bell rings in the house. What do you do?
Vibration.
नहीं आप क्या करते हो अभी नहीं forget about vibration and all. Today if the doorbell rings in your house, what do?
You ask and open it.
You ask or you see? You see, you peep, you first see who is coming. So where should be the door? Where the person in the house can easily see who is coming. Who is the person in the house? Ladies. Where is the lady? Here. So where should be the door? Door should be either this side or this side. Where from?
The main door.
Yeah, main door only. She should be able to, wherever she is, she should be able to see the main door. And when she is going to work, most of the time, in the southeast, the door has to be either in the east or in the north, from where it can be easily seen. Simple logic, nothing else. Simple logic. The owner of the house is here. He is not going to be able to see that fellow, and maybe he will not be here whole day. So a person is coming from this side, nobody will be able to see. So this side should be having small openings, no doors, and maybe some servants can be coming from here. but otherwise outside people should be coming from north or east. Even the household people should be coming from north or east, whereby the house owner is able to see them easily at a longer distance. Simple and straight. Done? Any questions? There is an ancient science of Vastu explained simply, and this is, yeah, very simply and very logically. Now all that you have to do is think, use logic, put people here. Go to your home, use logic, put things in this way. Huh? Not possible. Why not possible? There is lot is possible. Yeah, we'll see how it is possible. Yeah. Yes. No, what you have to see is what you have set up is, are you getting adequate exposure to proper sun? If you are getting that, nothing else is necessary. If you are not getting that, for example, your exposure to the sun is less, then what you should try to do is sleep in the area where there is sunrise. If your exposure to the sunrise is more, then use big thick curtains on that area, or use glass which has got blackish scare, so that the sun coming into the house reduces. Exactly. So now with this definition you go, you don't require anything more than that. If you are not able to see the entry of the house, put up some mirrors so that the entry can be seen. Exactly. Yes. Diverting? Yeah, diverting sunrise. Or for the person inside the house to be able to see the main door. We are today doing that. How are we doing that? We are putting up a camera. Camera outside so that we can see who is outside the door from inside, which used to be done earlier on easily with this kind of method.
Now we are doing CC.
Yeah, now we are doing the closed circuit camera. Okay? We are not able to get, because of, see, the walls are concrete, it is made up of iron and cement. It cannot absorb energy, it cannot absorb the sun rays, it gets hot, so we put up the ACs. We are doing exactly same thing which ancients used to do naturally, we are doing it artificially. And the moment the balance is reduced or balance is changed, we start getting some kind of health issues. We have the AC without ventilation, we start getting, yes, if there is no ventilation, there is going to be disease. Yeah, suffocation. If there is going to be less sun, then there is going to be disease.
Take the example of this movie.
Yeah.
See the height.
Yeah. It is good, bad.
Very good.
Very good. Exactly.
Because all heat go up.
Yes, and just because of the height. Yes. Just because of the height, there is ventilation.
And we will get a cool down.
Yes, exactly.
And winter will get heat down.
Absolutely.
Cool up.
Absolutely. Right. So this is what the ancient science of Vastu says. Today you can read hundreds of books. The same principles are given in the books and the logic is not given. You read Mansar, you read Samarangan Sutradhar, you read Mayamatam, same thing is given.
We have a bedroom, one in the northeast and one in the southeast.
Yeah.
But door is southwest.
Yeah.
All Vastu construction say this is not a particular one.
Okay.
Go sunrise in the morning, like you said.
Okay.
From 7 to 9.
Okay. Yes.
And that way, from your logic, it's good.
Yeah.
But the southwest, everybody says they're working for...
Okay. Ask them to show the reference from any one of these books. Mayamatam, Samarangan Sutradhar or Mayamatam.
So, according to...
None of the authors has ever said that southwest door is bad. None. So I don't know what kind of Vastu Shastris you are talking about. In the first place. No, ask them this question.
जितने आदमी उतनी
नहीं जिसने आदमी नहीं, आपका रेफरेंस कौन सा है?
अभी वास्तुशास्त्र में भी चप्पे चप्पे पे पैदा हो गए.
हाँ.
South and southwest...
See, if I am talking about health, I am referring to Gray's Anatomy. If I am talking about anatomy, I am referring to Gray's Anatomy. That is a standard book. In the same way, if I am talking about Vedas or if I am talking about Ramayana, I am going to refer to Valmiki Ramayana. There are 16 Ramayana. But I am going to say about Valmiki Ramayana, that is the standard. Okay? So, this is what is given, this is what is. Yeah.
If anybody has a house which has got adequate air and sun,
Yeah.
then it's supposed to be very good.
Yeah. Yes. That is a basic reason for the house to exist. The house exists because it gives you protection and it gives you nutrition. Protection and nutrition in the right position is called a house. Otherwise there is no reason for a house itself.